Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Valorant profile public in Tracker. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on tracker.gg, and then from here all we have to do is go ahead and go to the Valorant section that is right there. Once you do so, you're going to be greeted with this page where you're going to simply click on the sign in with Riot ID. Once you click on that, it's going to redirect you to the Riot Games official website where you can sign in. You can either enter your username and password or use any of the methods down here such as Google, PlayStation or Xbox. Once you have signed in and completed the method, as you can see right here, we are directed to our profile with our username and our stats, which are my public records for playing the game. So now if you go to the Tracker GG, and then from here you can search for whatever game, so for example Valorant, and then from here you're going to go to search for the username, and as you can see right here is my username that is public for anyone to view on this website. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.